Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Discovery 3.0 D300 Dynamic HSE, which is the diesel automatic and finished in Carpathian Grey. To start off with, then you have your Matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke design alloy wheels with a black finish, really complementing the Carpathian Grey exterior colour. The vehicle also has privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving in through the rear, you can find that passengers travelling have access to their own climate control as well as heated seats. You can also find the light oyster and ebony leather seats. The vehicle also has a tow bar, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer, caravan, or perhaps even a jet ski. Moving in through the front, you find your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Taking a look at your sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your heated multifunctional steering wheel, you can use your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control options. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 13 miles. You are also able to change the information panel suited to you. This vehicle also has head-up display, which is brilliant for allowing you to see what speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need, including a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. It supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You also have front heated and cooling seats, ideal for both those hot and colder months. The front seats are also massage seats with 5 different massage types, and you are also able to change the intensity. You have your 4x4 driving mode in case you take your vehicle off-roading, along with your wade sensing to help make your way through flowing water. Along with this, you have access to Bluetooth connectivity, and you can also stow or deploy your tow bar from your infotainment system, along with your 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the car, making manoeuvring so much easier. You also have a dual zone climate control located in the front, ensuring both you and your passenger travelling in the front can be kept at comfortable temperatures. You can easily adjust the heated seat temperatures here too.